Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all to hear and see this video message. Today we are going to see underreporting of crimes and conviction declining in India. Content for this video I given in the description, you can go through and study. The National Crime Records Bureau, that is NCRB, brings annual comprehensive statistics of crime across the country since 1953. This report serves as a crucial tool in understanding the law and order situation across all states of India and union territories. Even the government and parliament tend to judge the crime situation in any jurisdiction by its figure of registered crimes, but there is significant underreporting of crimes under the NCRB or for various reasons. For example, there could be suppression of data and low registration of crimes because the police know that their work is judged on the basis of this information. Also, victims of crime may decide against reporting the incident with the police because they are afraid to approach the police or think the crime is not serious enough. In 2015, National Crime Records Bureau recorded over 73 lakh complaints of cognizable crimes. Cognizable crimes are relatively serious offences for which police officers do not need a warrant from the magistrate to investigate, such as murder and rape. Between 2005 and 2015, crime rate, that is crime per lakh population for cognizable crimes, has increased by 28% from 456 complaints per lakh person to 582 per lakh persons. This has been primarily because of increase in crime rates of alcohol, prohibition crime, theft, kidnapping and abduction, crime against women and cheating. However, convictions have been low. In 2015, convictions were secured in 47% of the cases registered under the Indian Penal Code 1860. The Law Commission has observed that one of the reasons behind this is the poor quality of investigations. As per National Crime Records Bureau data, total of 378 cases of communal and religious riots were registered in 2021, 857 in 2020 and 438 in 2019, 512 in 2018 and 723 in 2017. A government investigation of post-independence riots conducted in 2007 noted that religious processions were the single largest cause of communal conflagrations. India's Hindu festivals are increasingly being used by the ruling Hindu majoritarian Bharatiya Janata Party to rally voters, leading to an increase in violence. Crime investigations require skills and training, time and resources, and adequate forensic capabilities and infrastructure. But the state police officers often neglect this responsibility because they are understaffed and overburdened with various kinds of tasks. Further, they lack the training and the expertise required to conduct professional investigations. They also have insufficient legal knowledge on aspects like admissibility of evidence, and the forensic and cyber infrastructure available to them is both inadequate and outdated. In light of this, police forces use force and torture to secure evidences. Our jurisprudence is based on the principle that 9 criminals can go free rather than one innocent pronounced guilty. This naturally involves the prosecuting authorities to produce sustainable evidence before the court to convict on accusation. This process allows criminals with influence, good lawyers, political backing, money, intimate witnesses, and the loopholes within the law to escape conviction or even be declared innocent on the basis of shoddy police investigation. The convenient reluctance of the prosecution to pursue the case diligently and competently and compromised judicial officials. The entire process can take years, often decades, to come to fruition, until which the criminal is either out on bail or pursues his criminal activities with impunity from inside jail and even gets elected to the state assembly or parliament. Bible talks about underreporting of crimes and conviction decline in India. In 2 Samuel chapter 15 verse 3, and Absalom would say to him, "See, your claims are good and right, but there is no representative of the kings to listen to you." And also Acts chapter 25 verse 26 and 27. But I have nothing certain about him to write to my Lord. Therefore I have brought him before you, and especially before you, King Agrippa, so that after this investigation takes place, I might have something to write. For it seems unreasonable to me to send a prisoner and not indicate the charges against him.